everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a different background. This is my bedroom. It is because today's video is a little special and we are going to try the turn up color treatment from April Skin. And yeah, I wanted to have a natural lighting and I didn't want a fancy background. I want you to see the color very well. So yeah, so let's dive into the video and let's start. If you don't know what is this color treatment, this is actually a semi-permanent color, and so after a few washes it fades away and then it turns back to your natural hair color. I tried a few times April Skin colors, but I tried only the other pink version that is way darker and it worked very well, but this one is actually the peach pink one, and I really wanted to see if on my quite light hair it still works, because for so many people this color wasn't a real success. So yeah, I wanted to give it a try and share it with you. So first let's see what we have to do. So on the box it says that after shampooing, applied adequate amount of product on damp hair, rinse after 20 minutes with lukewarm water. So apparently I have to wet my hair, but with the other one that I tried a few times on wet hair, honestly the color doesn't really work. I mean, doesn't really absorb. So I found out that on dry hair the result is way better. So I am just going to humidify my hair. I'm not going to rewash my hair and so on. My hair are already clean, so that's fine. So in the box we have actually the color, and also they give you some protection. So this is actually a cover that you can put on your clothes, I think. Yeah, this is a cover, and they give you also some gloves. So I'm going to wear my gloves and let's start. So first I'm going to brush my hair really fast. And I'm going to section my hair, so let's do something really fast. And it doesn't need to be really neat, honestly, it doesn't matter. This color is really light and there's nothing special, so that kind of really simple sectioning is okay. This is actually a really old t-shirt, so I don't mind ruining it, so I will just apply like this. Oh, the color is actually really pink. It's not peach at all. Can you see? It's really bright pink, and it says that it's peach pink. I don't know well how it will turn. I hope it will turn okay. I'm going to just apply this randomly here. I am hoping that it will turn like a kind of rose gold here. So now the upper part. Wow, I look so sexy. Oh my god. I'm already almost done with the first tube. I bought 2 tubes. So yeah. So now I'm going to wait for 20 minutes and I will be right back. So I'm back and I just washed my hair and I'm pretty happy with the color. I don't know if you can see well, but it's quite rose gold as I expected, but I need to see it when it would be dried down. But overall it's quite even. There is no huge patches. So yeah, I'm pretty happy. So now I will dry my hair and we will see the final result. So I am back and here is the final result. So I'm not really disappointed, but it's really light. As you can see, it is really hard to see the color, but it gives a really nice pinky color to my hair. I really love it. And I don't know if you can see it very well on camera, but there is some really beautiful rose gold effect But I'm gonna zoom in a little bit and maybe you can see better. So here's what I'm talking about. Yeah, there is some really beautiful rose gold effects. I really like it, and my hair are actually so silky, and I can feel that I did actually a treatment on my hair. I can really feel that I did something on my hair because they are really silky. So I think this is the positive point of this product, is actually it colors your hair, but also at the same time it's a treatment, so it takes care of your hair, and I really like it. Color wise, I think that this is gonna last only one wash because it's really too light, and as you could see my hair under are really blonde. So I guess if you have darker hair than mine, it will not work at all, really not at all for sure. If you have a darker blonde, I recommend you to use the darker colors. Actually in the past I used to have a darker blonde, and yeah, it worked very well, so I was really happy with it. If you want to achieve actually a similar look to this one, of course not exactly the same, but I really recommend this product. So this is the Pick Pop Color Refresh from Marianilla, and actually this is a kind of conditioner, and it's a pink conditioner that you put on after washing your hair, and you wait 3 to 10 minutes and it colors your hair. And honestly it works very well. I personally use it now every single shampoo that I do, and it permits me to have that kind of pink reflect to my blonde, and I really like it. And it lasts only one wash, so when you wash your hair it will completely disappear. So for example, if you are at work, or I don't know, you can't afford to have a pink hair forever, you can just use that kind of conditioner. And they have a bunch of colors. They have reds, they have blues, they have browns, they even have some blonde toner. And I also have the Pearl Silver one, and this one is perfect if you have gray hair. Actually, I think this is a good conditioner for gray hair because when I use a blue shampoo, if I use over a conditioner, the blue shampoo will just disappear, and it permits my blue shampoo to stay put on my hair and to have gray hair without damaging it, because blue shampoo is actually really drying. So that's it for today's video. I hope that you like it. Please, if you did, give it a thumbs up, and also do not hesitate to subscribe to my channel. It's really important to me. And yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you think of my look, if you like me with pink hair, or if you want me to try maybe another color, I don't know. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye guys!